Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are well. Nana. See, in our last session, we have discussed about the regular verbs and irregular verbs. Coming to the ninth chapter, children. Before going into the exercises, let me to explain again about the regular. Let us revise again about the regular verbs and the irregular verbs. See, children. First, you should know, Nana, what are the verbs. What are the verbs, children? Verbs are the action words or the doing words, or we can say a verb is a word which tells us about the action, position or possession of a noun or a pronoun. See, then verbs has been categorized first into main verbs and helping verbs. Main verbs means action words. Helping, which helps the main verb to form a sentence, and is, am, are, was, were, they are all known as helping verb. These are the parts of the main verb. Nothing is very simple about this, Nana. Regular means takes ed in its v2 and v3 form. అంటే ఒక వెర్బ్ కి v2 v3 ఫామ్ రాసినప్పుడు ఎండ్ లో ed యాడ్ అవుతుంది. అటువంటి verbs అన్నిటినీ కూడా మనం రెగ్యులర్ verbs అంటాం. మీన్స్ ద verb which takes ed in its v2 and v3 form. v2 and v3 form. Suppose here when I am writing v2 and v3 form, I am adding v1 with ed. Okay, here play is the v1 for us, and here I have added v2 when I am writing v2 and v3, I have added ed. Okay, this verb is known as regular verb. And when I am talking about the irregular verb, manana, they form in an irregular manner, in a different manner. v2 v3 in a different manner. eat, ate, eaten. Okay, మీరు గమనిస్తే కనుక నాన్న, if you observe here, they did not take ed in its v2 and v3 form. They are known as irregular verb. It is known as the irregular verb. Now it is clear, the verbs which takes ed in its v2 and v3 form, they are known as regular, and the verb which form v2 and v3 in an irregular manner, they are known as irregular verbs. Okay, and they have given a few of the exercises to write the v2 and v3 form. Okay, on page number 121. If you observe, Nana, page number 121 given in your textbooks, first they gave verb, then they gave past tense means v2 form. Past tense means, children, v2 form, and the next they gave past participle. Past participle means v3 form. It is the v3, it is the v2, it is the v1. First word they gave feel. Now if you write feel, Nana, you can write it as felt. If you observe v2 and v3 form, they did not take ed at the end, so they are known as irregular verb. Next, Nana, they gave us bring. When I am writing v2, bring, brought, b-r-o-u-g-h-t, brought, b-r-o-u-g-h-t. Here also they did not take ed in its v2 and v3 form, so bring is also an irregular verb. Next, Nana, plant they gave. When I am writing v2 and v3 form for plant, children, here I am adding ed to the plant. Planted. What I am writing, Nana? Planted. Planted. Next, children, teach. When I am talking about teach, children, here when I am writing teach, v2 form, v3 form, taught, t-a-u-g-h-t, teach, taught. Okay, Coming to the next nana, speak. S-P-E-A-K, speak. S-P-O-K-E, spoke. S-P-O-K-E-N, spoken. Now if you observe each verb, children, their V2 and V3 form, they are forming in an irregular manner. These four are known as the irregular verbs, and this verb is known as the regular verb. Another verb they gave to us is help. Help nana, we can write as helped. Helped. Here also it is taking ed at the end. So it is also known as the regular verb. Regular. Idi regular, idi regular. And the remaining verbs are irregular. Easily by observing the V2 and V3 form of the verbs, we can easily find out the regular and irregular. Now next Roman, what they have explained, children, they told us to identify the verb. To identify the verb, correct the verbs in these sentences where necessary, or tick the sentences which are correct. Nana, if you observe the page number 121, B Roman, first sentence, each sentence I will explain one by one why it is correct and why it is not correct. First sentence given to us, children, the children, first one I am writing on the board. The children gone to the seaside yesterday. Gone to the seaside. Gone to the seaside yesterday. Okay, the children gone to the seaside yesterday. If you observe the given sentence yesterday, nana, it denotes us about the completed work. What does it denote, nana? About the completed work. But here they have used V3 form. So this statement is wrong. To make it correct, you have to change gone. This is wrong. To make it correct, you have to write went in place of it. You have to write V2 form of go. Coming to the second one, the boy rided his bicycle. Rided his bicycle up the hill. So this is a statement given to you. The boy rided his bicycle up the hill. It is also wrong, nana. Why rided? Rode. What is the V2 form of ride? Rode. R-O-D-E. Rode is the V2 form. Okay. Coming to the third one, children. Next one. The old women slipped on the slippery road. The old women. Here verb forms they given wrong. The old women slipped, S-L-I-P-T, slipped on the slippery, S-L-I-P-P-E-R-Y, slippery road. Okay. So if you observe the given statement to you, children, slipped is the wrong one. Slipped, S-L-I-P-P-E-D, slipped on the slippery road. Coming to the fourth one given to you, our soldiers fighted. Fighted అనేది వర్డే ఉండదు నాన్న. It is here wrong given. Fought, fighted కాదు, fought. The war very bravely. Our soldiers fought the war very bravely. Okay. Next, children, let us see the fifth one. Fifth one, let us discuss what they gave us. Beautiful birds. Beautiful birds. Beautiful birds flied, F-L-I-E-D, flied in the sky. In the sky. Beautiful birds flied in the sky. Flied. Beautiful birds flew in the sky. F-L-E-W, flew. Not flied, nana. Fly, flew, flown. Okay. Coming to the sixth one given to you, children. The students performed well. Here it is given correct. The students performed well. Very correct. This is the correct one. Okay. Coming to the seventh one, children. The people seed a giant, Giant, giant wave destroying the village. Destroying the village. Here, children, if you observe what is given to you wrong, nana. Seed, not nana. Saw. The people saw a giant wave destroying the village. Saw. S-A-W. Saw. Okay, seed is the wrong one. Coming to the eighth one, children. The waves crashed on the shore. The waves crashed on the shore. The waves crashed on the shore. So here crashed is the correct one. So the given sentence is correct. In this way, children, we have completed our B Roman given on page number 121. Okay, page number 121. Only the thing is that you should know the verb forms correctly, children. Okay, so learn as many as verb forms possible to you, because you should know verb forms in this stage. These are the very, very important for your next classes also. Once you revise this exercise, Nana, tomorrow we will discuss few more exercises related to this topic. Have a nice day, all of you.